Why is nobody talking about Blessed Iwene Tansi, the first priest in Africa to be beatified, and till this day he has not been made a saint in the Catholic Church? Blessed Cyprian Michael Iwene Tansi, an Igbo Catholic priest, died on January 20th, 1964. He was later beatified by the Catholic Church on March 23rd, 1998 through Pope John Paul II. Pope John Paul, who beatified Blessed Iwene Tansi, passed on April 2nd, 2005. He was beatified as blessed in 2011 and was canonized as a saint in 2014, nearly 10 years after his death and 3 years following his beatification. Despite his canonization, there have been no verified miracle attributed to his grave after his death. In contrast, Blessed Iwene Tansi, who died in 1964, has been the subject of numerous verified miracles, which are the only officially recorded miracles by the Nigerian person. These miracles attributed to his intercession were part of the reason he was beatified in 1998. The question now is, what has kept Blessed Iwene Tansi at the blessed level, while Pope John Paul, who had no recorded miracle attributed to him, was canonized as a saint? One of the most notable miracles was the healing of a blind man who has been blind for years. After praying for Blessed Iwene Tansi's intercession, the man regained his sight. The Vatican confirmed this miracle during the beatification process. Another reported miracle is that of healing of a woman with life-threatening illness. This woman suffering from a severe incurable illness. After praying to the Blessed Iwene Tansi, she was miraculously healed. Her recovery could not be explained medically. These miracles were important enough for the church to recognize Blessed Iwene Tansi's holiness and beatify him. Given that these are the only verified miracles recorded by a Nigerian, it raises the question of why he has not been canonized a saint till now. Tell me in the comments if you think that why the Catholic Church has not canonized him is because he is an Igbo man from Africa. Your opinion is needed.